The HI901 and 902C automatic titrators are high-performance titrators made simple. Focus on your most essential titrations and get highly accurate, repeatable results every time. These titrators can store up to 100 different customizable methods of analysis to accommodate any of your different samples, including acids, bases, redox, and selective ions. And with no additional programming upgrades to purchase, you can start measuring right away. When you first receive your titrator, you'll get the base unit, a burette and dosing pump, overhead stirrer that also holds the temperature probe and electrode, the propellers, and the stirrer stand. In this smaller box, you'll get the stirrer support rod with collar, a temperature probe, a USB cable, the power supply, manual, and test report. And in this very small box, you'll find a USB key with PC software, the burette plunger removal tool, 2 white Teflon washers, and a shorted BNC connector. If you've decided to assemble the titrator yourself, let's go over the basic assembly of this unit. First, you'll need the titrator, your stirrer stand and rod, the overhead stirrer and collar, temperature probe, and a screwdriver. Take your titrator and flip it over to attach the stirrer stand on the base. It can be placed on either side of the titrator. Remove the screws, place the stirrer stand into place, and refasten the screws. Once the screws are tightened, flip the unit back over and screw the stirrer rod into place. Next goes the stirrer rod collar and then the overhead stirrer. The collar allows the stirrer to move freely along the stirrer rod. There's a small peg that will fit into the overhead stirrer to keep it from swaying while in use. Be sure to align the peg of the collar to the overhead stirrer. When you have it in position, tighten the collar to hold it in place and plug it into the back of the machine into the port labeled stirrer. Do not force the plug into the port. The cord is labeled with the proper alignment. Once you have that secure, insert the propeller into the stirrer and put the temperature probe into place. Once assembled, the next step is the burette pump. Before installation, make sure the power cord is not plugged in. To install, remove the pump retaining screw and attach the inside cable to the pump. Place the pump into position and retighten the retaining screw. After that's done, take the titration tubing and dispensing tip and put them into place. Now that you've assembled your new titrator, it's time to prime the burette. If you'd like to see how to prime your burette, follow the links in the description. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to the channel for more updates on products and services from Hanna Instruments. See you soon.